so juicy and so delicious. Hello guys, welcome back in Roma restaurant, welcome back in my kitchen for one of our new brand recipe of our summer menu. This is a super healthy recipe. I like to have in my menu because it's tasty, it's healthy, it's low fat, and it's really easy to make. So we can even make it home following my few simple steps, guys. So we are talking about fillet salmon in crust of different ingredients, baked inside the oven paper to keep all the juice inside. Amazing. Okay guys, let's see the ingredients. Alright guys, we take some of our red truffle, some pine nuts, some raisin, this really nice red raisin, and some parsley. Now with our knife, we're gonna crunch everything. This is the final result that you need to achieve. It's gonna give a special aroma taste to our salmon fillet. Second step, we take the salmon fillet and we sear on the fire for, let's say, 1 minute one side, 1 minute another side. Just the time to sear it all. Alright guys, we take our salmon perfectly seared and we put on our crumble of pine nuts, bread, parsley and raisin. Make sure all the crumble is gonna stick on our salmon fillet. Alright, now we take an oven tray with the oven paper and we put our salmon here. We add some really nice cherry tomato around. We cut one super thin sliced lemon and we put on top. Then we close it like a candy. This type of cooking, which is super healthy, also gonna make all the juice keep inside our salmon. Now, 8 minutes in the oven, 200 degrees. Let's go. And here we are, guys. Time to take it out. Mamma mia, such an amazing smell. Wow. Wow. Perfectly cooked with all the juice inside. And this is the best moment, guys. Let's try our super healthy and full of taste salmon fillet, guys. This is one of the best recipes you can have in the summertime. Look how perfectly it's cooked in the middle. Mamma mia, guys, this crunch gives a really special kick to the freshness and the taste of our salmon. Let's try with some roasted tomato. Wow! So juicy and so delicious. So, two things, as usual. First thing first, follow my steps and make this salmon at home. Your children, your husband, your wife, your beloved, they gonna go crazy for this. Second, come to try the original recipe here in Roma with me and you're gonna love it. Next time, next recipe. Chef Paolo, Roma, se vedemo. Bye bye!